Get started with electronics kit from Mechatron Robotics. Get components like transistors, resistors, multimeter, breadboard, etc. to build creative projects. Build 40 plus electronics projects. Get step-by-step video tutorials. Create projects like automatic light detector, IR obstacle detector, water level indicator, voice detector, dimming LED using 555 timer, touch sensor using Darlington pair, automatic dark detector. You will also learn concepts of semiconductors, circuit building, how to use a multimeter, resistor, 555 timer, and many more. Increase your levels of creativity, logical thinking, problem solving, and critical thinking with us. Join us today.